taking photos of everything.
It's a 360 degree one.
Yeah.
There you go.
You have to like push a button.
Seems like more folks in New Zealand than people.
I said that why don't Auckland have access to a boat?
Well, I looked it up last night. It says 1.5 million folks. 1.6. Just today. 5 million people. I thought there were more boats than sheep.
Ripping. Can we tuck the mainsail in, Eddie?
We can do.
Can do. Ripper.
Yeah, exactly right.
There we go. Yes.
Spinning the drum. I wonder if that's so small.
Nice and tight.
Would you mind helping me color this kit?
Okay, yep.
How am I doing?
You're doing great.
Ripping it.
You're ripping it, for sure. That's why they
Oh, yeah. We ever have to dump sail?
Yeah. Quite a bit.
Yeah, baby. Thank you for holding that.
Alright, well good.
It's a nice, good lean on her.
Then you run a little bit.
Okay.
Just a touch. A little bit more than that.
Got a buoy right
Done this before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They go right to that buoy or left?
Oh, just don't hit it. Right to the side.
Alright. Gotta sleep it.
It's on outlet. Go to your left a little bit more. Go to your left.
Right. Heck yeah.
I like how it just goes up and down. Yeah, look at that. So much weight under that. That's the concrete. You know what they should, like, you know how you get the wave like calculating? Oh yeah. They can put them underneath the power up. One year on board. What do you mean? Why already that? Well, they just put the batteries on. No, I think this whole house. Yeah, they got triple A. Yeah. Every week. Yeah. Why would they have triple A?
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking double A. Triple A is silly. Don't be ridiculous. What are those little circle ones? Oh, that's 32. Yeah. 2032. Well, what?
Full beam reach now.
This is serious. I've got like 50 of those. You're in South Africa with the electric car. You get 100 miles. All your batteries.
A little more. Gonna get you guys to dump some sail, huh?
Yeah. Right it up. At least a couple people up here.
Yeah, we're gonna check it. Jack? Yeah. Alright. Slowly. What's the other one called? The opposite of attack?
Keep going.
A jib?
Look quick up. Yeah, hold it there.
Keep going.
Keep going.
drive, son.
Alright, who else is up for a drive? Can you crack the beer cap? Yeah. No. No?
For driver again?
Anyone else up for a drive? You got some drive? Either of you want to drive? Yeah, jump on us. Go see us.
No, I want to be by the water.
No, he's ready to go, so you go up.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Well done, bro.
Appreciate it. Whew.